Hi, I'm Blair Gilbert here from MrHardware.com, here to show you how to cure a typically saggy door. As a house gets older, the door starts rubbing and it doesn't close, and a good way to tell is the gap is much greater on this side than here, which indicates that the door is sagging like this. Entrance doors on homes are heavy. And as it's heavy, it's trying to fall this way, trying to pull this hinge off the jamb. Very, very common. These screws in here, they're short and they're stripped out. They're not biting into the wood like they used to. They're just tired. This door jamb, you can't see it, is shipped is only 3/4 of an inch wide. So these screws are only going into 3/4 of an inch of wood. By going to a 2.5 inch screw, we're going through that, past the shims, into the stud that's back there in the wall. So when we grab that stud, we pull the door back, we get the door to go true again, we get some long screws. I'm using some deck screws because they have a very strong head on them. And when I put a deck screw in here, now when I go to close the door, doesn't rub and the bottom at all. My gap to top now is even all the way across. So there you have it. You're really not rehanging, you're just tightening up the top hinge of an old door to make it start hanging true again. A bonus to this is a lot of times the door bolt, when the door sags, isn't going into the strike plate properly. When you tighten the door up, the door bolt will then go into the strike plate. This door jamb, by going to a 2.5 inch screw, we're going through that, past the shims, into the stud that's back there in the wall.